Hi, this is Paul from Cheap Phone Reviews, and today we are unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay, so this is my friend's handset. It's in the nice purple, so let's get into it and have a look. Comes in the nice box. It is a nice box, I do like it. And obviously here we have the top bit which says S9 Plus, just there. Okay, let's move that aside. What do you get in here? You get a key to open your SIM card tray and a quick start guide. Okay, that's what you get in there. Bringing it over. Rightio. Wow, that is a lovely colour, isn't it? That is a lovely colour. I do. If I was going to get myself one of these, that would definitely be the purple that I would get. It is just lovely. Very, very nice colour. Yeah. Obviously on the back you have your fingerprint sensor here, and then you have your two cameras and your heart rate monitor and flash. And then you've got your volume up and down here, and your Bixby button there, the power on and off there, and then at the top you have your SIM tray. Let's just have a look, see whether it's the same as the old one. Oh, yep. So you've got the memory card in, you can put your memory card in there, and your SIM card or two SIM cards, whichever way you want to do it. Let's put that back in right, shall we? Okay, so it is all purple around the outside as well, around this bit. And then obviously at the bottom you have your Type-C charger, your 3.5 headphone jack, don't get that on iPhones anymore, and then your speaker and mic there as well. And you also got a secondary mic up here as well. So yeah, it is a very nice phone. It is on, screen's nice, it is slightly bigger than the iPhone 10 size wise. In screen. Oh, what are we doing now? Yeah, so it is slightly bigger in size. Although the phone is slightly bigger, the actual screen is slightly bigger than the iPhone. But it is very nice. I do like it. It probably weighs as much as the iPhone 10. The iPhone 10 is a heavy phone, so this is fairly heavy as well. Yeah, but like I say, it is lovely in that purple. Very, very nice. If I get some cases in from, I believe someone is sending me cases, I will do the case reviews on it. So if you have got one of these and you want to see some cases, make sure you subscribe down below and give the video a thumbs up. Okay, let's have a look what else you get in the box. You get your 3-pin plug, fast charging plug as well. You get your USB to USB Type-C, and you get your micro SD to micro charger to USB Type-C as well. And then in this bit, oh, what do you get in here? Oh yeah, you get your USB Type-C to USB adapter for your plug, headphone extra buds, bigger and smaller, and your crappy headphones. These are crap. Yeah, AKG. These were when the S8 come out, they was banging on about these as if there was £100 headphones. They are absolutely shocking. But yeah, that's what you get in it. Yeah, rightio guys. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. The sub button is down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.